Hi, hello kids, welcome back to Kids Genius channel. Today I am going to teach long E sound, other set of words. Already I taught E E P, E E L, then E E T set of words. So today I am going to teach other set of words. First E E K. That means you should pronounce eek. How will you pronounce eek? So meek, meek. Peek, peak. Reek, reek. Seek, seek. Week, week. Cheek, cheek. Greek, Greek. Sleek, sleek. Okay. Next set of words EER should pronounce ear. So DEER, deer. JEER, jeer. LEER, leer. PER, peer. SEER, seer. CHEER, cheer. QUEER, queer. STEER, steer. Okay. Then next set of words EED should pronounce eed. How will you pronounce? Eed. DEED, deed. FEED, feed. HEED, heed. NEED, need. SEED, seed. WEED, weed. BREED, breed. GREED, greed. Okay. Today we are EEK words, then EER words, then EED words. Okay. Do you like this video? Like me and subscribe my channel. Okay. Bye.